Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you a trick by which you can install the OneUi 8 weather app on your Samsung Galaxy devices. So this is how the OneUi 7 weather app looks like, and now today in this video we will upgrade it to the new OneUi 8 weather app. From the app info you can also check the old version number over here. So now let's update it on the latest version. A big thanks to the Galaxy Techie on X for providing the link by which we can install this new weather app. I will also give the link in the description so you can install it from there. After clicking on the link, you will get to see a website like this, and from here you will have to install this application. I have already downloaded this application, but for the video I will again download it. The application is 40 MB in size, and once downloaded you will have to simply install it. As you guys can see, the weather application is now downloaded. Now after downloading it, simply tap on update. Now the new weather app is being installed on your device. As you can see, the OneUi 8 weather app is now available on your device. The new UI and the animation is looking really amazing with the new OneUi 8 app. I really like this redesigned OneUi 8 weather app. Let me know your thoughts on this weather app in the comment section below. You can also change the settings to the Celsius of the weather app. By going into the app info, you have to search for the weather settings, and after tapping on weather settings, tap on units and adjust them according to your need. And if you're facing some bugs or issues with this new weather app, so you can also uninstall the updates. For that, you will have to go into the app info of your weather app. From here, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on uninstall updates. Once you will tap on uninstall updates, all your updates will be uninstalled and it will return to the default weather app. As you can see, it is now back on the OneUi 7 weather app. I am not facing any bugs or issues with the new weather app, so you guys can try it out on your Galaxy devices. Further, if we talk about the OneUi 7 update for the Galaxy A series, so the Galaxy A series is expected to get the OneUi 8 beta version in the month of September. The sad part about the beta version is that it will be limited to some countries, and the other countries will have to wait for the official update. And that's a wrap for today's video. Check out this new weather app, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.